Hello everyone. In this demo video, we will be looking at the participant data. Clicking on the participant data gives the idea how market participants are placing their bets in the derivative segment. There are four types of participants: FII, that is foreign institutional investors, DII, that is domestic institutional investor, then clients, that is retail investors, and proprietary desk. Here you can see the four tabs: future index, option index, then future strike and option strike. Looking at the future index, here you can select the data type. By default, it is an open interest. Open interest in chart shows in contracts. If we look into value is in crores. And if we see the volume is also in the contracts. We will look for the open interest. Further, you can also customize the data based on the frequency. You can set daily, weekly, monthly or yearly. As of now we are taking daily, or you can select the time frame by selecting from to date. Let's suppose I want to see the data from the starting of this month till yesterday. I will select from date, then I will select September, I will select first, done. Then I will select to date, I will select 17th, done. Now I have the participant data from 1st September to 17th September. Moving towards the chart, by default it is on FII. We can see the long position and short position of FII in the chart. The orange bar indicate the long and the grey part indicate the short. Further, you can add or delete a series. Clicking on the series, here you can change the type of the participant. You can select FII, then you can select proprietary desk, clients, DII, or you can select all. Let's select FII. Then you can select the series, that is long or short. And then you have operand. In operand, you can either add two series, or you can deduct two series, or you can divide two series. For example, I want to see the FII and the DII net long position. First I will select the FII, then I will select the series. I will select the long position. Then I will select deduct. Now I will select FII. I will select short. I will add the position. Now I have the net long of FII. Now I will click on the add. Now I will add the second leg. I will select participant as DII. I have the long position and I am deducting DII short position. Now I have the second leg in which I have the DII net long position. I will apply. Now on the chart, the orange bar indicate the FII long minus FII short, that is FII net long position, and the grey bar indicate DII long minus DII short, that is DII net long position. Now we will look for index option. I will select index option. Here the orange bar indicate the FII long call plus FII put short. This indicate the synthetic call. And the grey bar indicate the FII put long plus FII call short, that indicate the synthetic short. Now suppose you want to see the data of client participant in the synthetic long. We will click on the series, select client, then we will select long call. Then in operand I will select add. Again I will select client. I will select short put. I will add. Now this is my synthetic long. I will apply. Now I have the chart for the synthetic long of client's data. Further, you can also change the chart view. Here you have the different chart views. You can select as per your accordance. Then you have the table view. Then you can also see on the full screen view. Thank you.